What is a wood router? What is a wood router used for? Them's is some great questions. Let's get started. This is a wood router. Wood routers are used for all sorts of things. You can do roundovers. You can cut nice profiles on the edges of wood. You can even use it for joinery. Now they come in many shapes and sizes. Here's just a few. You have a trim router, a middle-sized router, and really big ones. This is a 3 horsepower model and I really enjoy using this. Nothing gets in its way. Let's break down the parts of a router. You have the base, which is pretty cool. They make plunge models of these, like this. And then they make the good old normal ones like this. So the base makes the actual router part go up and down. That way you can control how deep your cut is. Look at that. Now you can measure and set it exactly at the right height that you want. Now for the actual router part, this is your collet. C-O-L-L-E-T. It comes in a variety of different sizes. I prefer Porter cable because it's very easy to switch over from 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch. And what that is the diameter. I love having more than one option of router bits. I can get 1/4 inch router bits and I can get 1/2 inch router bits. For some reason 1/2 inch really make me happy. Now the router bits, that's a whole nother video and I'm sure we'll get to that at one point fairly soon. Alright guys, so I got a scrap piece of wood here and my router with a roundover bit on it. So what I'm gonna do is I would set this on the table obviously. Don't go trying to freehand no router job like this. You're gonna end up hurting yourself. Now the router, if you can see, the bit has a bearing. So that bearing is gonna ride on the edge of the wood like so. I'll set it away a little bit, turn on the router, and then slowly go into there. This is really awkward. And then I'm gonna go right along, nice and slowly, in a clockwise position. So it's gonna be going around this wood, and around, and around, and around, just like a clock. And it's as simple as that. In my upcoming projects, I'll definitely go into a lot more detail of how to use the router, but this was kind of just to give you an idea of what a router is and what it kind of does. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell, get notified, and we will see you next time.